ShardSync as a version control for AI agents. Instead of black box bots, you get agents whose evolving configurations and executions are cryptographically stored on Walrus, managed as SOI objects, and surface to Tatum for instant inspection and rollback. I'll show you how to create an agent using ShardSync. First, let me connect my wallet. Once I connect my wallet, I will go to the agent dashboard, where you can see what are the agents currently stored. Each style here is an on-chain agent registry object with one or more versions, essentially a repository for agents. Everything you see here is stored on SOI with configs and logs offloaded to Walrus. Let's create a new agent and call it Portfolio Sentinel, and give it a brief description as to monitor portfolio of a wallet. Here, in this config, you can select the tools which the agent can access via Tatum MCP. For wallet monitoring, let me just add these two tools. This tool called Get Wallet Portfolio Alert. And here to give a prompt for the agent that what it should do. For this agent, it monitors the target wallet portfolio. If a malicious token appears or balance drops significantly, it executes an RPC to pause trading and set the target chain. And for target wallet address, you have to give your own wallet address. And after that, you need to set that the alert is short and give an initial commit message. For this, it shall be initial version and upload the config. Under the hood, when I click create, the config JSON is uploaded as a Walrus blob. We get back a Walrus blob ID, and then I sign a move transaction calling Agent Registry for create agent on switch. As a user, I verify the transaction in my wallet and nothing is signed server. Once confirmed, ShardSync creates an agent registry which you can verify using SUI scan. After that, let's see the detailed agent view of the currently created agent. I've added new versions for the agent. And now, as here you can see, it shows total versions and the owner address and the last updated blob ID. Using the config viewer, you can view the JSON from Walrus directly using the blob ID, which is stored on chain. In this version history tab, every row is agent version move object with its own Walrus config blob and commit message. So every change is immutable and verifiable, like Git commits for agents. You can compare versions of agents side by side using JSON Diff. And as you can see here, it has additional tool access and the latest version has revoked the tool. But now, when I click run agent tab, you can directly run your agent using natural language processing. To access the tool, I'll select a query called show me the portfolio and balance and execute it. When I submit this, the backend scores the prompt against 13 Tatum tools, which are 10 data tools and 3 RPC tools, and picks the best one. In this case, it selects the get wallet portfolio tool from the Tatum MCP. Now, I should sign this. Now, we commit this execution on chain, and the front end builds log execution move call with the Walrus log blob ID and sign it using my wallet. Back in the execution log tab, you can see this on execution event on site, linked to its Walrus log ID. As you can see, the output of this agent, we have got the total wallet portfolio and its balances. Now, let's move on to the timeline tab. Here, it shows back in the execution log tab, you can see this as run as an execution event and so into its Walrus log. Across agents, the timeline page shows the global field of on-chain executions, each entry, timestamp, agent name, and version, along with Walrus log hash and SUI transaction digest. Then let's move on to the analytics tab. Then finally, the analytic page aggregates everything with Tatum index data, like total agents, versions, execution success rate, and latest checkpoint of SUI. Over time, success versus failure and per agent activity all computed on SUI events plus Walrus blobs. So that's ShardSync. It is a version controlled system for AI. So with ShardSync, your AI agents will cryptographically verifiable history on SUI, backed by Walrus and Tatum, so you can finally see, trust, and evolve what they do. Thank you.